How to delete Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to basically go ahead and then actually delete your Instagram account, you can do so from the app if you're on iPhone. But just for the general context for everybody, I want you to simply open your browser because it's much more easier from the browser. Open any browser, go to instagram.com and make sure to log into your Instagram account. Then after you've done that, you want to simply make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the gear icon from the top left hand side of the screen and then just scroll and then look for the option called help. Now once you go to help section, in the search box, so go ahead and type in help center. Right here in the search box, just type in something such as delete your account or anything. When you search for delete account, you'll find the first keyword or the first search result that says delete your Instagram account. Make sure to tap on that option. Now over here you should be able to see these options. Now here it says go to the delete your account page, right? So all you have to do is tap on this delete your account link over here. As you do that, it will take you to this page where you can simply select a reason as to why you want to delete it. After you've done that, you can simply re-enter your password, tap on delete account option, and your Instagram account will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.